Dŵr Cymru Welsh Water, unlike the other major utilities, is a not-for-profit company. That means that you, our customers, are our only priority. It means that all the gains we make go back into our business, helping to keep bills down and to pay for extra improvements. We are currently investing £1.5 billion here in the communities we serve to provide you with a high-quality service whilst keeping your bills as low as possible. Although water falls freely from the sky, a lot of hard work goes into every drop on its journey to and from your home. We look after 91 reservoirs and supply over 800 million litres of water to 3 million people and 100,000 businesses in Wales, Herefordshire and Deeside every day. Your wastewater is pumped through part of our 30,000 kilometres of sewers. That's long enough to stretch to Australia and back. To one of over 800 local wastewater treatment works before being fully treated and then released back into the environment. As your water company, we always want to get the balance right and to keep your bills down whilst maintaining and investing in our network. We need to safeguard our environment and prepare for the impact of climate change. We're responding to the demands of a growing population and supporting the economy. To do all this, we need to be ever more innovative and keep our own costs as low as we can. Our aim is to deliver the 8 key outcomes that matter most to you. 1. We want you to have complete confidence that your drinking water is safe, reliable, and tastes good. And we carry out 300 tests a day on your water to make sure it's of great quality. 2. We're safeguarding a sustainable environment that we're proud to hand on to future generations by ensuring that the water we release back into the environment is as clean as possible. 3. We're adapting our own activities to deal with the potential effects of climate change, whilst reducing our own carbon footprint, including generating more renewable energy at our sewage plants. 4. Providing you with excellent customer service, using new technology to improve your satisfaction even further. 5. Our prices will continue to reflect good value for money, and we're giving additional help to those struggling to pay. 6. We're maintaining and improving our vast network of assets for future generations at the most efficient cost. 7. We're developing our team to provide you with a great service. And 8. Running our business efficiently for your benefit. As your not-for-profit company, you can rely on Welsh Water to provide you with an excellent service at a fair price. And trust us to look after your water now and for the future.